You can use wildcards to increase the flexibility of command line searches in Hebrew. In other videos, we've discussed the asterisk and question mark wildcards. I'm going to right-click here on the command line to display the code insertion buttons. Choose Code Insertion Buttons, and you have a reminder there of your wildcards and various control characters that you can use on the command line. The asterisk wildcard represents 0 or more characters, and the question mark wildcard stands in for any single character. The wildcards can be used in place of specific letters in a word search, but they can also be used to represent characters in a morphology code. Make sure that you have the morphology version for Hebrew, the BW10, chosen as your search version. Now let's see some examples where these wildcards may be used in a morphology search. In this example, we wish to conduct a Hebrew morphology search for any lemma and the morphological coding of verb, call verb stem, perfect, any person, masculine, and singular. So I'll type period, asterisk, the @ sign, V for verb, Q for the call stem, P for perfect, and for any person, I'll enter the question mark wildcard, then M for masculine and S for singular, and then I'll enter an asterisk at the end of the search. It's a good habit to place an asterisk wildcard at the end of every morphology code search, just in case there are extended morphology codes applicable to that search. Then when you're ready to run the search, hit enter on the keyboard. In this next example, we'll search for any lemma and the morphological coding of verb, call verb stem, any aspect, any person, any gender, and plural. So I'll type period, the asterisk, the @ sign, then V, Q, asterisk, P, asterisk, and hit enter. You may have noticed that when I entered the second asterisk wildcard, the pop-up morphology code help disappeared. The morphology code help no longer knows where you want to begin to enter the code because the asterisk refers to 0 or more characters. One other thing that we can use in searches are range operators. Range operators are braces and brackets, and they can be used to group characters within the codes. For example, you can use them in the morphological codes to enter a small group of codes in one code placeholder. In this example, we'll find all of the verbs, call perfect, first and second person but not third person, masculine and singular. Here's how to enter the search. Type period on the command line, the asterisk wildcard, the @ sign, then V, Q, P, enter a bracket, 1, 2, another bracket, M, S, then the asterisk. So we have there in our codes that we're searching for any word that is a verb, call, perfect, first or second person, masculine and singular. Hit enter to run the search. Now let's see a number of other searches where you can use wildcards and range operators to filter unwanted search results and obtain a more complete listing of search results. You can use these searches and others like them to find specific lemmas and forms. Enter a period, asterisk, @ sign, V, Q, P, asterisk. This will find all the call perfect verbs regardless of gender, person, or number. Then hit enter. To find a list of all the first-person Hebrew verbs in the Hebrew Bible, hit period, asterisk, @ sign, V, question mark, hit the escape key to turn off the morphology helper, a question mark, 1 for first person, then the asterisk. So V question mark 1 asterisk is used for our morphology codes to find all first-person Hebrew verbs. Let's say you wish to find all peel, pool, and nifal verbs. Type period, asterisk, at, V, bracket, P for peel, U for pool, and N for nifal. Then a bracket, and then the asterisk, and hit enter. Wildcards and range operators can be very helpful in customizing your search.